The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to see how we can use Google Trend to make money online. But before start the video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get the latest updates. So without wasting any more time, let's come to the point. In my last video, I have shown you how to get design ideas for selling t-shirt. Now we will see how we can do marketing for those t-shirts and get sales. So for this, at first you have to visit Google Trend and look for the topic which is now on trend and people are excited for. Now for this, click on the left side of the menu bar and click on explore. Now scroll down and you'll see the filter option like this, which showing you the result of based on the categories. Now in this option you have to select the country what you target for selling the t-shirt. So I am here going for the United States because most of the online purchases are coming from United States. So let's select the United States, and here in this option you can make it last 30 days, and as we are going to promote a t-shirt, so we can go with the art and entertainment section. Okay, now filter the results. So you can see that there are a lot of search topics and search queries. So we have to look for the search topics, and you can see that there are a lot of things that goes breakout, but we have to select one which is not breakout. So the search topic here is a search topic called Umbrella Academy. Okay, this, as far I know, this is a show, a superhero TV show broadcasted in Netflix. So we can go with this keyword. We can see the search volume of this keyword is very high, so we can use this for our selling purpose. So just search with this keyword in your Google and you will able to, and you have to select on the news tab. Okay, you can see that there are some news with this keyword. So open any news portal, and now we have to make a video based on this news.
Before you make a video with that title, make sure to search that in search engine, and if you see there is no video on that title topic, so you can make a video with that. But if you see that there is already a video with that title in YouTube, so you have to cancel that and go for another top article which is ranked in Google and make a video on that. So for making a video, you can use Lumen 5 or Vidnami, but I'll suggest you to use Lumen 5. You can use any temp mail to register on Lumen 5 and get free trial, and you can also use that Vidnami software with the same temp mail. Anyway, so let's see how we can use Lumen 5 to make that a video. So just copy that article URL and paste here in this section and click on go. Now it will ask you for select the ratio, size ratio. So just click that landscape YouTube, and now here is some themes, video themes. So what you have to select, just you like, and then make your video. So let's see how we can make a video and download that. Now as we have downloaded our video, it will look like this. So we have to edit it in a video editor. Here I am using that Camtasia video editor. If you want this video editor, then you can click the link in below video description to get that full version video editor. So now split your video and go to your store. Here I am using Teespring, so just go your Teespring shop store and download the images of your designed t-shirt and use Photoshop to remove that white background and save it as PNG format. Now come again in your video editor and paste the images in like this beside that split clips and slightly resize it like this. Now render your video with HD format and rename the video with the same title of that top news post and upload it to YouTube, and in video description give your t-shop link, so this way you can promote your t-shirt as well other affiliate products too to make money from online. I hope this video may help you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.